Lisbon, and now we are heading out for sightseeing near the city. Our hotel is far off from the main city, so we have to take a cab ride, almost 20 minutes cab. Then we'll be heading to some famous monuments like the bridge, which is like the replica of the Golden Gate Bridge from San Francisco, and from there the Belem Tower, which is a really good old tower with a good view. Then an oceanographic museum. So come on, let's go. We have arrived at Belem Tower. This is one of the most iconic place in all of Lisbon. You can see the tower over there. Arrived at Belem Tower. You can see the tower besides this. There's a huge queue for it. People are standing in queue for buying the tickets to this Belem Tower. Come at the Belem Tower. This place is amazing. So we are walking alongside the pathway near the Belem Tower. And this place is amazing. It's got breathtaking view of the bridge, and lots of rush over here. There is a good plane, model of a plane. We are sitting here in a cafe near Belem Tower, and we ordered some pastries and 2 latte coffees. And this cafe has got some amazing view. So my brother over here, we're waiting for our order to arrive. You can see the plane behind us, so we took some photos. Our order has arrived. Espresso. Thank you.
1 minute.
Right in front of the Belem Tower, you have the bridge. Like a Golden Gate Bridge. So there are a few yachts over here near the Belem Tower. Now we are heading out to the bridge. Let's go. So we are at this point where you can see the monument, the bridge, and also the Christ, the King statue. This place is wonderful. It's giving San Francisco vibes all over this place. I sell my soul for you, babe. I'm out to go with you. I'll give you all and none, babe. Just to heal from there, because in the midnight hour. So that's the Lis-BON Monastery. That's the bridge. The Christ the King statue. We're here under the structure. These are all the places The Portuguese arrived.
That was the expedition of Vasco da Gama. Oh, yeah, Vasco da Gama.
So we are crossing the road bridge and heading towards the Belem Tower Monastery. It's a monastery in Lisbon near the Belem Tower. So we've come down from the bridge and you can see the beautiful flowers on the street. It looks so beautiful. There's a garden besides the Belem Monastery. This place is beautiful. We're under a shade in the sunny weather. It feels so peaceful to be here. We're walking around the streets of Lisbon. See the architecture over here, it's really lovely. So we are at the McDonald's over here in Belem. This place has the view of the bridge. Now we are going in. This is our order in McDonald's in Belem, Portugal.
चेक करा हे बघ मॅक चिकन 2 पाहिजेत ना ओके
Okay.
तुला एकच हवं आहे बर्गर
So our McDonald's meal just arrived. We're gonna feast on it. So you can see how beautiful the street is. Purple flowers on these trees. I think these are lavender trees. I don't know the exact name. Now we are heading towards the Belem Monastery. It's right over there. So we are at the Belem Monastery. You can see how beautiful the architecture is. It's pretty huge. Do you like the architecture?
Yes.
So now we booked a cab to Christ the King statue. Punjabi guy is coming, Simranjit, from our Bolt app, and he's going to drop us to the Christ the King statue. It's around 15 minutes drive over there. From there we can, to reach there we have to cross through the bridge, which is the famous bridge. Taken inspiration from Golden Gate Bridge in California, San Francisco. So our cab to the Christ the King statue has arrived and we are getting into a cab.